Have you ever spent hours fighting with a pivot table, staring at a screen until your eyes crossed, just trying to remember how to write a complex formula for a simple report? We have all been there. You know the data is there, but getting it to tell a story feels like pulling teeth. But what if I told you that the days of memorizing obscure syntax are over? What if you could just talk to your spreadsheet like a human being and have it do the heavy lifting for you? Today, we are diving deep into Microsoft 365 Copilot Excel. I'm going to show you how to turn hours of frustrating data crunching into seconds of simple conversation. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechWise AI, where we make technology practical and accessible. If you are looking for a comprehensive Microsoft Copilot tutorial that actually shows you how to get work done, you are in the right place. Today, we are tackling AI data analysis in Excel. Whether you are a senior financial analyst or just a business owner trying to organize a budget, this tool is completely changing the game. We are going to explore Excel automation and specifically how to use Excel Copilot to visualize data, write complex formulas, and uncover hidden insights without needing a PhD in data science. This tutorial is perfect for Excel for beginners who find formulas intimidating, but it is also crucial for the pros who want to speed up your workflow. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to automate Excel with AI to save yourself massive amounts of time. Let's get into it. Before we jump into the live demo, I want you to shift how you think about Excel. Traditionally, Excel is like a professional kitchen full of raw ingredients. You have your numbers and data, those are your vegetables and proteins. But in the old world, you had to be the chef. You needed to know exactly how to chop, saute, and season. If you didn't know the syntax for VLOOKUP or how to record a macro, you couldn't make the dish. Microsoft 365 Copilot Excel changes that dynamic entirely. Think of Copilot as a master spreadsheet chef standing right next to you. You don't need to cook anymore. You just need to order from the menu. You tell the chef what you want in plain English. I want a spicy pasta. Or in Excel terms, I want a comparison of sales by region. The chef understands your intent, goes into the kitchen, picks the right formulas, and serves you the finished dish. Now, a quick note on security, because I know many of you are wondering about your data privacy. When you use Microsoft 365 Copilot Excel, your data isn't being used to train the public ChatGPT models. It stays within your Microsoft 365 security boundary. So asking the chef to analyze your sales data is secure and your proprietary info stays yours. This combination of security, formula genius, and natural language is your new superpower for Excel productivity. Okay, let's open up Excel. Here I have a raw data set on a transaction sheet. This is standard stuff, thousands of rows showing sales data. First, a crucial tip for Excel tips and tricks. For Copilot to work, your data must be formatted as an Excel table, and your file needs to be saved on OneDrive or SharePoint. Once that is done, I am going to click on the Copilot button on the home ribbon. A chat pane opens up on the right side. I'm going to use a specific prompt here to automate Excel with AI. I'll type exactly this. Analyze the transaction sheet, summarize the total net revenue, profit, orders, and unit by month in 2024. Also, create a clean line chart of net revenue by month and add a short paragraph of key observations regarding picks and dips. Watch this. Copilot is scanning the headers. It understands that month means it needs to group the dates. It understands net revenue is a sum. And there it is. It didn't just give me the numbers, it created a new summary table on a new sheet. But look at the visual. It generated a line chart automatically, visualizing that revenue trend. But the most impressive part for AI data analysis in Excel is this text paragraph below. It actually analyzed the peaks and dips, or peaks and dips. It's telling me exactly which month had the highest revenue and where we saw a drop off. If you were presenting this to a boss, you wouldn't just show the chart, you'd need to explain it. Copilot just wrote that explanation for you. This is true Excel automation. It's doing the thinking, not just the calculating. Now, let's push the spreadsheet chef a little harder with some specific visualization requests. Often, tutorials focus on simple pie charts, but business data is usually more complex. We need to see how different variables interact. I'm going to ask for two very specific visuals to see if it can handle the nuance. I'll type, create two visuals. One, a stacked column chart showing net revenue by month, stacked by region. Two, a clustered column chart showing profit by product_category for the latest quarter. Look at that. The first chart, the stacked column, is incredible for spotting regional trends. You can instantly see that while total revenue might be up in March, the North region actually shrank. That is an insight you might miss if you were just looking at total numbers. And here is the clustered column for profit by category. Notice the intelligence here. I asked for the latest quarter. Copilot looked at the dates in the data, identified the last 3 months, and filtered the chart automatically. I didn't even have to specify the months. This is why Microsoft Copilot tutorial videos are so popular right now. It lowers the barrier to entry. If you are learning Excel for beginners, you don't need to know where the clustered column button is hidden in the menu. You just ask for it. This dramatically speeds up your Excel productivity because you stay in the flow of analysis rather than getting stuck in the menus. So, we have done our AI data analysis in Excel, but data usually doesn't stay in Excel. It needs to go into a presentation for stakeholders. Because this is Microsoft 365 Copilot Excel, it plays nicely with the rest of the ecosystem. You can ask Copilot in PowerPoint to create a slide based on the selected Excel data. Or you can simply copy the narrative summary Copilot wrote earlier about the peaks and dips and paste that right into your slide notes. You have effectively gone from raw data to a presentation-ready slide with insights in under 5 minutes. That is the power of the ecosystem. To recap, we took a raw dataset, used natural language to analyze trends, generated complex charts like stacked and clustered columns, and even got AI-written insights explaining the data. We did all of that without writing a single formula. This is the future of work. Excel automation isn't about robots taking our jobs. It's about removing the drudgery so we can focus on the insights. I'd love to know, what is the one Excel formula you absolutely hate writing? Is it VLOOKUP? Index match? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this Microsoft Copilot tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to TechWise AI for more practical tech tips. We'll see you in the next video.